Accidentally made your Snapchat public and now regretting it. No worries, getting back to private is super easy. Let's fix that right now. First things first, launch the Snapchat app on your phone. It's that yellow icon with the ghost. Tap it to open up Snapchat. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon, which is usually your Bitmoji. Tap on that to go to your profile. Now, on your profile page, find the settings icon. It looks like a gear and it's located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that to open up your settings. Okay, this is where the magic happens. Scroll down through the settings menu until you find a section labeled something like Euro. You'll see several options related to privacy here. Look for the option that says View My Story. This controls who can see your Snapchat stories. Tap on that. You'll see a few options. If everyone is currently selected, that means your stories are public. To switch back to private, simply tap on Friends Only. This will restrict your story views to only people you've added as friends on Snapchat. And that's it. You've successfully made your Snapchat stories private again. Now only your friends can see what you're up to. Go ahead and snap away with peace of mind. Your privacy is restored. If you found this helpful, give this video a like.